5 healthy foods that you should consider eating every morning. These foods will help you focus to start your day, and these foods will get you going. These foods are oatmeal, Greek yogurt, eggs, berries, and whole grain toast. These are the things that you should have every morning before you start your day.
First up, we've got oatmeal. This fiber-rich gem keeps you full and satisfied while stabilizing blood sugar levels and lowering cholesterol. Want to amp it up? Top your oatmeal with fruits, nuts, or seeds. Next on the list is Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports gut health and muscle recovery. Mix it up with some fruits, honey, or granola for a delicious and versatile breakfast option. Now let's talk about eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients like vitamin D and B12. They help maintain muscle mass and keep you feeling full. Whether you like them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are a breakfast staple. Moving on to berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are low in calories but high in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These little powerhouses can boost heart health and reduce inflammation. Add them to your smoothies or yogurt for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Last but not least, whole grain toast. Whole grain bread provides complex carbohydrates and fiber, which regulate digestion and offer sustained energy. Start your day right and fuel your body with these amazing breakfast options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe